Hello guys, welcome you from Poland. We are now in the eastern part of Poland, southeast near the Ukrainian border, and we will hunt for Roe Deer. So stay with us and follow our YouTube channel.
Our accommodation in a stylish hotel is located right on the edge of the hunting ground. Hunting guests are accommodated in stylish and cozily furnished rooms. These are mostly single rooms so that everyone has their own privacy and peace if they decide to sleep. Of course, each room has a separate bathroom and toilet. To relax between morning and afternoon outgoings, hunting guests can use the hotel wellness center. A swimming pool with countercurrent flow, a bubble bath and a steam sauna, all of which serve for perfect regeneration. The hotel also has a beautiful park garden with outdoor seating. Hunting guests can use it to relax, drink coffee, have a cigar, or just chat about the hunt. Breakfast is served on the ground floor in the form of a rich buffet until 10 a.m. For lunch and dinner, our hunting guests choose from a rich menu of delicious Polish dishes. Nice hunting experiences await only those who have no problem getting up in the morning. We guarantee that you will see at least 10 roe deer during each hunting outgoing. So, make up your own mind based on what we experienced on our morning hunt. Deer hunting friends, we just finished our morning hunt and I must say that I am extremely satisfied. We saw a lot of interesting roe deer and also numerous small game. The richness of the surrounding areas is astounding. Meadows, pastures and wetlands, a true roe deer paradise. On the way back, we had the opportunity to see a few moose. What more could we say? Simply beautiful. Even though it started raining in the afternoon, it wasn't a problem for us. After less than half an hour, we came across a beautiful strong roe deer. He ran a few more meters into a smaller forest. It's a nice, sturdy roe deer. The hunting guide rates him a silver medal. Good hunting. We quickly load our roe deer and the hunt continues. We soon come across another roe deer, nibbling on young shoots at the edge of the thicket. Excellent, second roe deer in 1 hour. It's a little smaller, but still a nice piece. Good hunting. Let's take a look at the southern fields. There hunted our second hunting guest, Thomas. He managed to hunt a beautiful older roe deer. Our camera couldn't be everywhere, but in one day our two hunters shot 6 roe deer. Deer hunting friends, the time has come to say goodbye to Poland. We experienced incredible moments here and the beautiful trophies will be a reminder of that. If you also wish to hunt your medal roe deer, we are the right hunting partner for you.